Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, here is a promo for my brand new Skillshare class, where we are doing a 15-minute challenge where we use ballpoint pens only in a tiny sketchbook. Now this is one class of two that I uploaded not too long ago. One of them is a watercolor painting of a beach in Hawaii, and this one complete opposite, this one being where I was inspired when I went to the zoo in Hawaii. Now please enjoy this introduction video and consider checking out my Skillshare class, and hopefully you enjoy. And don't forget, I have a variety of other classes on Skillshare, everything from digital painting, coloring, sketching with pen only, realistic drawings with pencil, and how to shade. And also, don't forget that I have a class referral link in the description below where you will get 1 month for free. Now, consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and leaving a comment. So, let's get to it. Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Florentino Ramirez, and I have a brand new Skillshare class. Now for this course, there's a special challenge for you where it's going to be all in about 20 minutes. We're going to be drawing a sitting antelope using a ballpoint pen only and a tiny sketchbook. So this is for all my students to help with your confidence in drawing a realistic animal. You won't be able to erase because we are using pen only. It'll help with landing proportions, using our reference photo for likeness, going into detail without committing to a large drawing. This is only a sketch. This is going to be a step-by-step all the way through in just one video. Now, I graduated from California State University, Fullerton. I am a graphic designer, digital artist, painter. I work with fine art, with mediums like graphic pencil, watercolor, acrylic, and many more. Now this class will pair perfectly with my shorter 15 to 20 minute courses from drawing a monkey and even pop culture where I drew Chewbacca using ballpoint pen only. And if you're looking for a longer form course, I also uploaded where we're using watercolor paint on a small canvas board for a beach plein air painting. So, are you ready to begin this quick challenge? Let's begin.